is your spacious living and dining area. You get a kitchen space where you will be getting two parallel platforms. See, this over here is the space of your master bedroom. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Akhand Phase 2 by Tecton Life Spaces located in Vasai East. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office, behind which we also have the actual land parcel where the construction is in full swing. You can also have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. We will be getting into all details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 3.5 acres that has total of 9 towers that will be developed phase-wise. As you can see in the model, this over here is phase 1 that is completely sold out. Right next to it is phase 2 that is a new launch phase, and phase 3 will be in future development. And now talking about phase 2, it will have ground plus 33 story having spacious 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences. Also you have Jodi options available. Now talking about the amenities, this project has 45 plus amenities with swimming pool, gym, clubhouse, jogging and walking track, kids play area and many more. Also this project has a mandir within the vicinity. And now talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located at Madhuvan Township, Vasai East, from where Vasai railway station is at a distance of 2 kilometers, Western Express Highway is at a distance of 20 minutes, D-Mart is at a distance of 7 to 8 minutes, and you have school, colleges, hospitals all within the distance of 500 meters from the project. And to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. And now we will be entering the spacious 2 BHK of phase 2 of the residential project Akhand. This 2 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 710 square feet. As we enter, you can see this over here is your spacious living and dining area. You can see how spacious your living is. You will be getting vitrified tiles in the whole flat. You can place a sofa, center table and customize your TV unit in the living, and you still have plenty of walkable space. Also, you will be getting full French windows with a very spacious balcony in the living where you can easily place your tea tables, tea chairs and enjoy tea time with your friends and family. You can see how spacious this balcony is. You can easily walk over here, sit and enjoy the views. Moving forward, this over here, you have your dining corner where you can easily place a 6 to 8 people dining table and enjoy meals with your friends and family. You can see how spacious your dining area is. You also have extra space provided where you can make an extra unit as well. Right opposite to your dining corner is a kitchen space where you will be getting 2 parallel platforms along with the stainless steel sink. Also, lower cabinets are provided and then you can customize your upper cabinets. You have space provided to place your refrigerator, and again, you will be getting a dryer balcony attached to your kitchen where you can place your washing machine. And now moving forward, on this side we have your alley area that has entrance to your bedrooms and common washroom. First over here we have your common bedroom that you can see is very spacious. You can place your king or queen size bed along with your side tables. Also you have plenty of walkable space even after placing your furniture, and this over here will be a wardrobe corner that you can customize as per your choice. And in this bedroom again, you will be getting full French windows with a spacious balcony where again you can enjoy your views. And as we move forward, diagonally opposite to your common bedroom is your common washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And now, before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now, let's move to the master bedroom of this 2 BHK. As we enter, you have a foyer area that gives your bedroom privacy. This over here is the space of your master bedroom where you can easily place your king size bed. You can see how much of walkable space you have even after placing your furniture, and the wardrobe space provided is niche wardrobe space that gives your bedroom a bigger look. You can customize your TV unit, your makeup corner or your study corner, and yet again you will be getting full French windows with a very spacious balcony where you can place your sofas, tea tables or tea chairs and enjoy your views. And over here in this corner, we have your private washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And this was a 2 BHK sample flat tour of phase 2 of the residential project Akhand. And if you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, you have been watching our videos for so long now. How do you like our videos and what changes should we make according to you? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat tours. So everyone, this was the 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Akhand Phase 2 by Tecton Life Spaces located in Vasai East.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.